Okay, this is question 6 from the June 2019 Limpopo question paper. A neutral plastic ruler becomes charged when it is rubbed with a woolen cloth. After rubbing, the ruler has a charge of minus 3,5 times 10 to the negative 15 coulombs. Distinguish between a neutral object and a charged object. Remember, do not use the word it when you do this. If you want the full 4 marks, you must make short, proper declaring sentences. So a neutral object has equal numbers of protons and electrons. A charged object has lost or gained electrons. Remember, only the whizzy little electrons can move. So if you've got a charge, you can only have a charge because you have lost or gained electrons. That is the official definition. Did the ruler gain or lose electrons? If you do not know that electrons are negatively charged, please leave physics. So in order to get a negative charge, it has to have gained electrons, okay? Because if you've got a negative charge, you've got too many electrons. The charged ruler is now brought close to pieces of paper. The pieces of paper are attracted to the ruler as shown. So, explain why the pieces of paper are attracted to the ruler. There's 3 marks here, so I'm hoping for 3 declarative sentences, okay? So, what we say is, the paper is neutral, but when the charged ruler comes closer, okay, the electrons in the ruler, and we should actually say the extra electrons in the ruler, because remember the ruler's gained electrons. The extra electrons in the ruler repel the electrons in the paper. Now remember, this is called induction or polarization. So the paper has become polarized. So now make another sentence. This leaves the surface of the paper positively charged, and so it is attracted to the negative ruler. Because why? Because opposite charges attract. So now remember, now the ruler stayed neutral, okay? It's just got little whizzy electrons inside the paper, and they go to one side of the paper, and then it just leaves all the protons on the surface there, and that's what's attracted to the ruler. The positive charge at the top of the paper becomes attracted to the negative ruler because the ruler got polarized when the electrons were chased away. And it says, name 1 application of electrostatics in our daily lives. I always like to use spray painting cars, okay, but there's also the photocopier, dust collection in chimneys, stuff like that. What else is there? The police fingerprinting. Any one of these will get you the mark, but I always put spray painting cars.